Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about e-commerce. I'm going to give you the top 7 mistakes not to make when you start your e-commerce store. Um, I had an Amazon store for a number of years selling private label products, and I did very well. But when I tried to expand off of Amazon and start my own e-commerce website, I fell into a lot of trouble. So keep yourselves out of trouble. Watch this video. All right, guys, later. Selling physical products online is not without risk. The unfortunate truth is that 80 to 90% of e-commerce startups fail. If you don't want to be part of that statistic, listen up so you don't make these fatal mistakes. Number 1, not doing adequate product research. If you make the mistake of trying to sell products you like rather than what your customers want, you'll end up with a product with not enough demand and little sales. Not understanding your customer. For many e-commerce entrepreneurs, it's tempting to jump right into creating Facebook ads or trying some other form of digital advertising. But if e-commerce marketers don't first intimately understand their customer, they will likely fall short of their revenue goals. Having no marketing plan. Many people who jump into e-commerce underestimate the skills that are needed to get people to your web store, to just get eyeballs on what you are offering. Just because you build it, they will not come. You are going to have to go get them. You'll need to learn the ins and outs of marketing and how to drive traffic to your web store. No social proof. Okay, so you've picked a hot product and you've mastered marketing techniques or paid someone to do the marketing for you. A common mistake that e-commerce newbies make is not having any social proof. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. No one wants to be the first to buy an unreviewed product. Customers love to check social media to see if your business is legit. Failing to build a brand. If your e-commerce business doesn't have a brand at the core of its identity, then marketing to and retaining customers is very difficult. While e-commerce stores can enjoy decent sales from one-off impulse buys, it's returning customers that provide a long-term solid business. Not being profitable. This one may seem like a no-brainer, but it's really very common for a newbie to build an e-commerce site based on a business model that can simply never be profitable. Choosing the wrong e-commerce platform to sell on. When you are starting your online business, the right e-commerce platform can make your business or break you. Left unchecked, these mistakes are a recipe for disaster and can lead to a bunch of inventory sitting in your garage, or worse, accruing storage fees at a fulfillment center. You can lose money instead of making money. Instead of your e-commerce business being a source of financial freedom, it can quickly turn into a major source of frustration and huge waste of time and energy. Without the proper guidance and direction, most people fall short of their goals and quit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. In a future video, I am going to go over some tips so you don't have to be part of that 80 to 90% failure statistic. All right, have a fabulous day.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And don't forget to smash that notification bell for more videos like this.